Shit, dude, is it stopping yet? Oh boy.
Just on edge and very tense at this point.
Another thing to consider, and this was the case in Haiti, and Haiti is especially bad because of their infrastructure and the way they
And calling in instant communication with friends and loved ones, but when you cut that communication line off, you've got to be on the same page in terms of your plan.
And one thing that
To all my family and friends living in Southern California, Las Vegas, Northern California, you know, I'm praying that all y'all are okay. You know, after 2 of these insane earthquakes, you know, think about it. These earthquakes were worse than what we had experienced in the past years. Those earthquakes weren't that bad. They were actually pretty mild. They were like 3, 4 or something. Those weren't really that bad compared to these ones now. My goodness, 6.4 yesterday, but I wasn't even around this area during that time that happened. Today, I was just watering the front yard. I could see the cars shaking before I can even feel myself riding the wave. This earthquake lasted pretty long, dude. My goodness. I don't know what else to say about this, man. But I just hope that everyone is okay. I hope that everyone here is okay. I hope that all my family and friends and, you know, relatives, I hope all is well. You know, I'm praying for y'all. I'm just hoping that everything will be okay for the rest of this month. Sending my prayers. I do recall a video that I've made with a few friends. The time that I went to Pizza Hut with them when an earthquake at about, I'm trying to remember, I think it's like a mild earthquake had happened, and I'm trying to recall if I saw a chair that fell in one of the tables from like to the left of us. But I do remember that I made a video about it. It's one of my older videos. It's in 2014. And one of my friends was actually talking about it. You know, I had talked to them all how they felt about that earthquake that happened. It was in March 2014, so I get to recall. Yeah, yep. But that was nothing compared to this now. So like I said, I'm sending my prayers to everyone. Hope they're all okay. So Mother Nature ain't being friendly right now. But I gotta get back to what I'm doing, so cut the fucking tape.